Welcome. In front of me is a LG F60, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So starting off, we will need to open up the settings. And from there, go down to Accounts and Sync. And then tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And probably connect to the Wi-Fi first. So let me do that. Okay, so let's try that again now with connection. Input your email address. And then put in your password. I'm gonna do the same. Okay, and once you put it in, you can press next and you'll be presented with the Google Terms of Service, so just agree to it. Then you have this little setup here. Just make sure it's on to back up your phone. I'll put it remind me later. And from here I can just check it on to auto sync data. And if I tap on here, I get to choose what I want to sync with the Google and what I want to keep just on the phone. So for instance, if you don't want calendar inputs, you can just check this off, and whatever you're now put in the calendar, it will not be synced with Google. So that's basically how you set up a Google backup. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.